Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're writing the equations of lines using just the graph. So we're going to do that for this graph right here. If you remember carefully, we can always write the equation of a line as y equals some number times x plus or minus some other number. And we saw last time that this number would be the slope of the line, and this number here would be the y-intercept. So you can write the equation of a line as y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept. Okay, so that's basically the two numbers that we need to write the equation of any line. So we just need to find those things from the graph. The easiest one is probably the y-intercept. If you look at the graph, the y-intercept is the point at which the line cuts the y-axis, so there it is. 1 is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is 1. Okay, y-intercept is 1, so we're halfway there. Now we have to find the slope. So if you look at this line, we can see that to get from one point on the line to another one, we go right 1 and up 4. Okay, we go right 1 and up 4, so every time it's increasing by 4. It's the same everywhere on the line. Actually, that's up by 3, sorry. That's up by 3. I saw that 4 there and said it was up by 3, but it's going from 1 to 4, so that's up 1, 2, 3. And that's the same anywhere on the line. You go right 1, you go up 3. So it's always increasing by 3, so the slope of the equation, or the slope of the line, is going to be 3. Okay? So now that's all the information you need to write the equation of line. So you can write the equation of this line as y equals 3x plus 1. Alright, where 3 is the slope and 1 is the y-intercept. And let's do that for another example. Okay, so let's say we've got this this line right here. We've got some integer points here and here. Let's pick 2 points and let's first find the slope. So if I go from this point to this point, I will go to the right 2, that's plus 2, and I'll go up 3, so that's plus 3. Okay? So slope is going to be, the slope is always rise out of run, change in y over change in x. So the slope is going to be 3 out of 2, change in y out of change in x. And so that's 3 out of 2, that's our slope. And we look, we have our y-intercept is down here. The y-intercept is equal to -4. So we can write the equation of line as y equals slope times x plus a -4, which is the y-intercept. Or you can just write that as y equals 3 out of 2x plus, or sorry, rather minus 4. Okay, so plus -4, same thing as -4. So 3 out of 2x minus 4 is the equation of that line.